Are you feeling lost in a sea of confusing currency symbols and inflation reports? You're not alone. Did you know the US dollar, once the undisputed king of currencies, has lost a whopping 95% of its purchasing power since 1913? That's right, the money you're making today won't buy you nearly what it did a century ago. But wait, it gets crazier. The global currency landscape is shifting, inflation's a roller coaster, and digital money's knocking on the door. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, because in this video we'll unpack 5 shocking facts about global currency and inflation that every entrepreneur needs to know. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and strategies to navigate this changing economic landscape and thrive, not just survive. Let's dive in. Number 1. For decades, the US dollar has dominated the global currency landscape. But things are changing. It's like we're in the middle of a grand chess game, where each move sets off a ripple of reactions. Since the mid-20th century, the US dollar has been the king on this chessboard, its influence reaching every corner of the globe. Historically, the dollar's strength came from a robust American economy and political stability. It was the go-to currency for international trade and the preferred choice for foreign exchange reserves. But as the global economy evolves, so do the players on the chessboard. Emerging onto the scene are currencies like the Chinese yuan and the euro. The Chinese economy has grown in leaps and bounds, and with it the influence of the yuan. Meanwhile, the euro, the shared currency of 19 European Union member states, has also been gaining ground. These shifts can have significant implications for international trade and investment. For instance, the rise of other currencies could diversify the global monetary system, potentially reducing the risk of a single currency's decline, causing worldwide economic instability. There's also a wild card in the debt cryptocurrencies. Though still in their early stages, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are reshaping our understanding of money. As the global currency landscape shifts, so do the opportunities and challenges for entrepreneurs. It's a brave new world out there, and it's ours to navigate. Number 2, inflation. It's a term that often sparks fear. But is it always a bad thing? Let's take a moment to debunk this myth. Inflation, in its most basic form, is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. Now, when inflation is moderate or low, it can actually stimulate economic growth. Here's why. People anticipate that prices will continue to rise, so they buy items sooner, which in turn boosts demand and drives further economic growth. But like anything in excess, high inflation can be harmful. It can lead to a loss of purchasing power as the cost of goods outpaces wage increases. This can lead to uncertainty and a decrease in spending, which can then slow down economic growth. The key takeaway here is not to fear inflation, but rather to understand it. It's like a river current. If you understand its flow, you can navigate it effectively. But if you ignore it, you could end up off course or even capsized. So, is inflation a friend or a foe? Well, it can be both. The trick is to understand which one it is at any given time. Inflation isn't always the enemy. It can be a powerful ally if understood and managed correctly. Number 3, money as we know it is evolving. The future might be digital. Central banks around the globe are exploring the concept of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs for short. Imagine a world where physical cash is replaced with digital versions of national currencies. It might seem like a far-off reality, but it's closer than you think. CBDCs could revolutionize how we interact with money. Instant online transactions, increased financial inclusion, and seamless cross-border payments could just be the tip of the iceberg. But like any innovation, CBDCs come with their own set of challenges. Privacy concerns, technological hurdles, and potential impacts on traditional banking systems are all part of the equation. While it's exciting to dream about the possibilities, it's crucial for entrepreneurs to stay informed about these digital currency trends. The rise of CBDCs could have significant implications for business operations, from payment processing to international trade. Staying ahead of the curve can provide a competitive edge. The world of money is at the brink of a digital revolution. As entrepreneurs, it's our job to adapt, innovate, and thrive in this new landscape. The digital future of money is not just coming, it's here. Number 4, currency fluctuations can seem like a wild ride, but for the savvy entrepreneur, they can also present opportunities. You see, when we talk about currency fluctuations, we're talking about the changes in the value of one currency in relation to another. This can be influenced by a multitude of factors, from inflation rates to economic stability. Now, these fluctuations can create a range of opportunities. For example, if you're an entrepreneur who imports goods from another country, A strong home currency can make those imports cheaper. Conversely, if you're exporting goods, a weaker home currency can make your products more competitive in the global market. There are also strategies to manage foreign exchange risk, such as currency hedging. This is a method used to eliminate or minimize the risk of changes in exchange rates. It's like an insurance policy for your international transactions. Imagine, for instance, you're a coffee shop owner who buys beans from Colombia. If you think the value of your currency will go down compared to the Colombian peso, you might choose to buy a large batch of beans now, rather than waiting and potentially paying more later. Remember, currency fluctuations aren't just about risk, they're also about opportunity. Number 5, predicting the future is impossible, but preparing for it, absolutely doable. You see, while we can't forecast every shift in the currency landscape or inflation rates, we can build resilience and adaptability into our business models. And here's how. Firstly, diversify your income streams. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket. If you're solely dependent on one market or currency, it's time to broaden your horizons. Explore new markets, consider different currencies. This approach will help cushion any unexpected financial blows. Secondly, focus on your value proposition. What sets you apart? Why should customers choose you over your competitors? A strong value proposition can help you weather economic uncertainties. Lastly, build customer loyalty. Loyal customers are not just repeat buyers, but they're also your best advertisers. In times of economic turbulence, these are the people who will stick by your side. In a world of change, the best defense is a good offense. Stay informed, stay agile, and seize the opportunities that come your way. So there you have it. 5 key facts about global currency and inflation that every entrepreneur should know. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with a video idea, and let's make it happen. Share this video with your network. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, be proactive, and you'll be well equipped to navigate the global economic landscape. Until next time, keep hustling and growing.